I turned this one-sentence story idea into a consistent, multi-scene animation film in under 10 minutes.
Tie the port line! Keep the bow straight! No one moves unless I say so! I see the swell! We need to shift the load now! You follow orders, boy! The sea kills men who improvise!
No manual prompting, no character flickering, and no scene-by-scene editing. And the best part? Your characters actually look the same in every single shot. It begins with a simple idea. Then it builds a full script, complete with characters and their dialogues.
Back to your positions! Pull starboard! No! Hold! Wait! Move, damn it! What do we do?
After that, it designs the characters visually and moves straight into creating a full storyboard using both images and videos. But when you add Seedance 2 into the mix, that's when the animation goes from AI-generated to studio quality. This AI video generator functions like a chat-based agent, taking your inputs and turning them into smooth animations. Not just as a one-time output, but as an ongoing process that can expand your idea into a complete film, even across multiple episodes. So, without further delay, let's get started. Zopia is an amazing chat-based AI video agent that can generate complete story-based films from just a simple story idea. It works like a director designing characters, producing storyboard-based shot generation, and combining all the shots into smooth and consistent films with multiple episodes. This tool is not limited to animations only. You can also use it for UGC ads, short dramas, game scenes, and much more. Apart from free sign-up credits, its starter monthly plan starts at $16 for 1,700 points. For more usage, you can compare its other plans by clicking the first link given in the description. Click on the Start for Free button and sign up with your Gmail account. After logging in, you will be directed to a simple and clean dashboard. Here, you have options to upload your script or a complete storyboard document, but I will start from scratch with just a story idea. Under the Models tab, we have a range of AI video generators, such as Kling, Happy Horse, and Seedance 2. Let's begin with a basic story idea. A small fishing boat is caught in a violent, unforgiving storm far from shore. The story consists of three characters: a strict father, a rebellious son, and a quiet crew member. As the storm intensifies, the son disobeys a critical order, disrupting the boat's balance and pushing the situation toward disaster. As fear spreads and the storm grows more violent, the father begins to lose control. At that moment, the quiet crew member steps forward. Without shouting or hesitation, he makes a precise adjustment at the right moment, guiding the boat safely through the waves. Now, let's choose the Seedance 2 and click on the Create button. A basic configuration window will appear. Here, we will set the aspect ratio to landscape, image quality to 2K, and video resolution to 720p. For images, I will choose the Nano Banana 2 model. For videos, Seedance 2 is a great choice for all types of content. You can compare other models based on credit usage, but I will stick with it. Keep the audio option enabled for voiceovers and sound. Next, we have 4 different generation workflows. Keyframe images to video, which allows step-by-step creation from images to videos. Elements to video, which uses character reference images to ensure clip continuity. Video reference, which uses motion and style references from existing videos. For this example, we will go step by step using the first option. Next, we have different visual styles such as Japanese anime, 3D Pixar style animation, Studio Ghibli, and more. You can also create your own visual style by entering a custom description. For this video, I will select the 3D Pixar style option. After clicking Confirm, the tool will begin generating the script. Within a couple of minutes, we get a complete story script including character details, descriptions, and shot-by-shot breakdowns with camera directions and dialogue. In the chat panel, we have options to extract characters and key scenes from the script or break the script into storyboard segments. Let's choose the second option to break it into a storyboard. Now, a full storyboard structure is generated with scene descriptions. Next, we extract all the character, scene, and object prompts from the script. As you can see, the prompts are ready. Now we generate reference images for characters and scenes. By selecting this option, we can view all entities for which images will be created. To speed things up, I will copy the prompts and generate them all at once. Here, you can see the progress of image generation. Under the Characters tab, we have images for all characters along with their prompt text. Scrolling down, we also get images for scene backgrounds and objects. In the Storyboard tab, all 6 shots are now ready, with characters and objects aligned correctly across scenes. Next, I will generate keyframe images for all 6 segments. You can see that image generation starts one by one. Now we have scene-by-scene images. They look consistent, with the same characters and outfits maintained throughout. Next, I will ask the system to generate videos for the first 3 scenes. Before generating, you can adjust settings or simply click Confirm. Here is the first scene video.
Tie the port line! Keep the bow straight! No one moves unless I say so! I see the swell! We need to shift the load now! You follow orders, boy! The sea kills men who improvise!
It looks great. Dialogues, camera movements, and transitions are well synchronized. The characters' facial expressions match the dialogue perfectly. Now I will generate the next scenes. Here is the next video.
If we wait, we roll! And because of you, we just might!
Sometimes you may notice minor inconsistencies. Simply click Regenerate to improve the result.
Back to your positions! Pull starboard! No! Hold! Wait! Move, damn it! What do we do?
Now the scene looks much better. I have now generated all the scene videos. You can ask the system to review all clips for continuity and pacing and make adjustments based on its recommendations. Once everything is ready, ask it to proceed to the next step to generate the next episode. In the Timeline tab, all clips are combined, and you can edit them as needed. Finally, click the Render Video button to download your project. This video agent is extremely powerful for generating long-form videos with strong consistency and smooth transitions. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.